This piece of paper is one of the final things that you need before you can knock a house down. I got a call yesterday from the inspector. She said that she left this in the door for me, and what this is a rodent-free inspection. So this is only good for 10 days, and this is one of the last things you do after you file a demo permit, but before you pick it up. And you use this to pick up that demo permit, and the house has to be knocked down within 10 days. And what this certifies is that there's no evidence of rodents in and around the property. And why that's important is because if you knock down a structure that's infested with rodents, then those rodents are going to go out to the neighbors' properties and cause problems for the neighbors. So, got it. Good morning, everyone. We are back at Plainview number 2, and the house that's behind me is going to be gone in just a few more days. If you guys recall, at the beginning of the new construction series, I brought you to Plainview number 1 and Plainview number 2, and I promised that I would include you in every step of the way through this entire new construction process. Plainview number 1 is well on its way. For those of you that have been following, we're pretty much wrapped up over there. The walls are closed up, and we're looking at a completion date of about 4 to 5 weeks from now. We're already in September, so you know I'm thinking about the winter, and I really want to get this build 80 to 90% complete before the cold weather sets in. So let me take you through the property one more time, go over what we've accomplished. Doesn't look like much, but believe it or not, we have. Go over what we've accomplished up until this point and set up the table for the next few weeks. Property really doesn't look like much right now, but all I see is gold everywhere. This is a 10,000 square foot lot, which is unusually large for this area. I got it at a good number, and after all these trees are cleared, not all of them because there are some beautiful trees here, but after most of these trees are cleared, you're gonna really see what I see. So the new house is gonna face the same way the old house does, and if you remember in the earlier episodes, I pointed out during the survey work, this street over here was a big challenge because they didn't have all the necessary paperwork over the years to sort of ensure the boundaries. But now that that's all been straightened out and we've got our permit to knock the house down, I can start thinking about, you know, marketing and building and design. So the unique aspect of this street coming up on the side is that it allows me to bring the garage and the driveway through the side and the rear, not touching the backyard, but giving me more frontage in the front of the house for living space. You're gonna actually have, where the garage would normally go, a full guest suite with an ensuite bathroom. I'm gonna actually show you guys the plans, and it's gonna show you how it really adds to the character and the front elevation of the house. So we're gonna continue on this way. I'm gonna clear all of this up. I'm gonna leave this wall of arborvitaes here. Unfortunately, this tree's gotta go. That one's gonna stay. I'm gonna trim that tree. It's gonna be beautiful. All of this is gonna come down. And what you're gonna have is another one of your typical pinnacle backyards, finished from corner to corner. Where there aren't earth walls, there's gonna be PVC fencing, sod, sprinklers, masonry, and just pristine new construction. So there you have it, Plainview number 2 in the flesh, as promised, before anything was done. It took months to get to this point, but I'm so excited because this is really, truly one of the nicest builds I've ever done, and I'm certain gonna be my favorite build ever by the time I'm finished up. And I can't wait to bring you all on this journey. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment below with any thoughts or questions you might have. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, let's do it. At Pinnacle Real Estate, just content on deck every single day. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day.